Hi guys, today we will show how to complete uninstall a software from Windows roots. Sometimes we uninstall the program but uh, have some file in C drives, therefore we face trouble. Okay, we go to the Google and write in there. This is the Revo uninstaller. Okay, this is the Revo websites. We download from Revo websites. Download Revo uninstaller. There you get three versions. We download just a free version. Free download also can be download this portable. I'm download is portable. Download is started. Okay, download is done. Now show in folder and now need to install. That's why we double click and right click on mouse and go to the run as administrator and press yes. Press OK. I accept. Okay, I accept and press next. Again press next and install. Okay, we done. Friends, now you find in there all program, C type all program in there. Now you select what program I want. I want to install this program. Okay, then press yes. Okay, this is deleted successfully, but now need to scan for delete root file. Scanning is started. Friends, you can see all root file is showing there. Just you select from there. Okay, this is the root file. All file is selected. Okay, and press delete. Now press delete and press yes. Friends, thanks for watching. Our root file also deleted.